Hello students, good morning. Students, as you know that in geography, second chapter is going on. I have sent the written part of this chapter, that is the NCRT solution and some extra important question of this chapter. Now, today is the turn of map work. So student, today I am sending the map work of this chapter. There are three map work. First map work, you have to write the question and according to question you have to locate and label the information. So student, in first map work what you have to write? In map work first you have to write, locate and label the following items on the given map, that is the Naga Hills, Mizo Hills, Nanda Devi Peak, Animuri, Arauli Range. Student, these things you have to locate in map work 1. So, this is the political map of India, simple political map of India. In this map of India, you have to locate these information. Firstly, we will locate the Naga Hills and Mizo Hills. You can see that Naga Hills and Mizo Hills here. I can say that something about the Mizo Hills and Naga Hills. Mizo Hills and Naga Hills are the main ranges of Patkai Hills. They spread over the state of Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura and Meghalaya. Now student, next is the Nanda Devi Peak. You have seen in the explanation also, it is situated in the India and its height is the 7,817 meter. Next is the Chota Nagpur Plateau and next is the Animuri. Student, Animuri is also a peak and it is situated in the Western Ghat. The height of this peak is the 2695 meter and next is the Arauli range. Student, these things you have to locate in map work 1. Next is the map work 2. In map work 2, you have to note down these things under the question. Locate and label the following items on the given map with appropriate symbol, that is the Garo and Kashi Hills, Western longitude, Kanchenjunga Peak, Eastern Ghat, Kaveri rivers. These things you have to locate on map of India. So student, firstly we have to locate the Garo and Kashi Hills. Garo and Kashi Hills earlier, right now I told you these hills are the part of Patkai Hills and they spread over the state of Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura and Meghalaya. Now next is the Kanchenjunga Peak. It is situated in the Nepal-India border and its height is 8,598 meter. Now student, next is the western longitude. It is situated in the western direction and the western longitude, that is the 68 degree and 7 degree east. Then is the Eastern Ghat. You have to locate the Eastern Ghat. Student, about the Eastern Ghat you have seen in the explanation also, but important lines I want to tell you. The Eastern Ghat run from West Bengal in the north through Odisha, Andhra Pradesh to Tamil Nadu in south. They are eroded and cut by the rivers Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. So you can say that the main river of this ghat is the Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. So Kaveri also you have to locate. So here you have to locate the Kaveri river. It is also situated in the eastern ghat. Now student, third map. Third map, you have to note down these information under the question. First one is the river of peninsular India that forms an estuary, a mountain range, a South India hill range, a South Indian hill range, and last is the western coastal strip in the north. Student, these things you have to locate in map work third. So firstly you have to write the answer of this map. So firstly you have to write answer of these information. First one is the which river formed the estuary on the peninsular plateau. So answer is the Narmada river. So Narmada river you have to locate here. Next is the a mountain ranges. Where is the mountain ranges? Is situated in Goa. So here you have to locate Goa. And next is the South India hill ranges. Means which ranges is situated in South India. We known as name as the Karakoram ranges. So Karakoram ranges you have to locate here. Now next is the South Indian hill ranges, that is the Cardamom Hills. So Cardamom Hills you have to locate here. And next is the Konkan coast. About the Konkan coast from Mumbai to Goa, it is the northern part of the plains. So strip is spread in western coastal in the north, and this is known as the Konkan coast. So you have to locate the Konkan coast. So students, I hope so that you have listened carefully and you can see very clearly how you have to locate these information on political map of India. Student, these map works in the copy you have to do in separate pages, and you have to do these works in a very nicely. Thank you.